properly that you should not copy in the examinations. Everybody knows it. But your desire to get more marks, you understand, the understanding has gone to dogs. Next problem, illusion of the senses. This is what in Gita he says about the Rajasic aspects. In the beginning they are like Amruta, but in Parinama they are poisons. That is a problem, like smoking, like tea, or etc. etc. The illusion of the senses that you are drinking tea because you want to feel fresh. You can feel fresh by going into air also, fresh air. You need not smoke. But your understanding is clouded and you give a cause which is not the real cause, is the sense mind which clouds your understanding. So first is the desire and the second is the sense mind or the mind which justifies your actions. Next, the third cause is improper action of will. We just don't know what we should do and what we should not do. Next, in a complete silence only is the silence heard. One is the small s and one is the capital S. Maunavyakya prakatita parabrahma tattvam, that is the law. You can understand the Parabrahma, the Brahma in action and Brahma as the witness, only in silence. And that silence is a dynamic silence, the silence of Samadhi, not the silence of sleep. And that is the silence, and that silence gives you Shanti, peace. Next, concentration. Are all of you understanding? So this is the purity. The purity of understanding, then the three impurifications I have already given you in the previous slides. You remove them and then what you are supposed to do, you concentrate. The mold, the akara of the Vijnanamaya Purusha. And how do you get the Vijnanamaya Purusha's mold? That will be the tomorrow's class. The yoga of perfection. The mold in which you have to put the samadhi thoughtless state. Next, the concentration has these three steps to know, and the concentration can be utilized for the acquisition of that which is still ungrasped, and the concentration can become whatever we choose. And I am talking about this becoming factor of concentration. You understand becoming factor of, you become that. You become the mold. You become the Vijnanamaya Purusha. So above the Chaitya Purusha, who is three in one, is the Vijnanamaya Purusha, of which we are not yet aware, but nature is aware. And now when you are practicing the third factor of concentration, and these three factors in Raj Yoga are known as Dharana, Dhyana and Samadhi. And many people tell me they can't understand what Dharana is. Let me give you an example. When you are in a movie, a very good movie, you are sitting in the chair, the movie has not started. But what happened? Pratyahara has happened. Pratyahara means your senses are drawn inwards, ready to see the movie. Right? Pratyahara has happened. Now what is Dharana? You are ready to see the movie. The news reel is going on or some advertisement is going on. You are aware and you are prepared to see, but still you are not interested. You are not interested in the advertisements and this and that, but internally you are ready to see. That is Dharana. Then what happens? Slowly you start seeing the movie. In the initial stages of the movie, you know that you are seeing the movie. You are aware that you are seeing the movie. and the movie is there, and almost unconsciously you are aware also of some others also sitting around me and seeing the movie. But after some time, you are involved in the movie. You forget that you are there. That is why I said if it is an interesting movie. If it is not an interesting movie, you will be only in the dharana state. But you understand all these three? Dharana, preparation. Dhyana, you are there, but your consciousness is there. But you are aware that you are there. You are acquiring it. The acquisition factor is, you are there and you are acquiring the knowledge. And after some time you are not there. Only that is there. The movie is there. If you can do that to a movie, why can't you do it to the ideal of perfection? Then what does it mean? You should have a very clear-cut flow of thought about perfection. Then only you can have a dhyana on perfection, is it not? So that is what we are going to read tomorrow. We will have a continuous flow of the mold, how your mind is to be molded to become a mold for the supramental consciousness. But now what is we are trying to do? We are molding the mind through these three states of concentration. And these three states, when you are perfect enough and do it immediately and instantaneously, is known as Sanyamana in Patanjali Yoga Sutras. Trayameka Sanyamana. These three, Dharana, Dhyana and Samadhi, together make Sanyamana. And for the Chaitya Purusha becoming silent for the lower three and just awaiting for the incoming Vijnanamaya Purusha is the real Sanyamana. Now you understand how yoga is to be practiced. For any yoga, for any evolution, first you have a preparation. Then you have an opening that you want to receive it. Then what should you become? You should become that. When these three happen instantaneously, it is Sanyamana. Next. The same thing. The Raja Yoga concentration, what I have explained to you. Next. Now, he is utilizing the waking soul, the dream soul and the sleep soul. And you remember the word soul is beyond psychic being. You remember that. Soul is the interlink between the Jivatma, which never manifests down, and a soul which manifests but does not take part in the activities. It is a silent watcher. And the psychic, he partakes all. So this is what he is talking about. You should be aware of that part of the unmanifested spark which is beyond the psychic being but still is in this world. Next. Now these type of concentrations where you use the logical mind to achieve, to know, to exercise and to become that. That is vitarka. You want to become a doctor, you hear the messages from the teachers and this, the lectures. You exercise the knowledge and then what you become? You become the doctor, but by tarka, step by step. But here in vichara, the time gap is very much limited. This is savitarka and this is savichara. This is the lower mind and this is the higher mind. These planes you should understand. Where logic is involved, it is lower. Where understanding is involved, it is vichara. Next.